Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video coming at you with the ipsy video. This is not an ipsy glam bag plus this is an ipsy glam bag. I am so sorry right now. My eyes are like a little glossy because I'm kind of lit right now. I literally just came back from the MAC Moulin Rouge freaking event. And your girl had like a little bit too much to drink, but it's okay. I digress. We're gonna get back into this video. So I know some of the products that are in this video, and because of that, I'm gonna just go straight on to add-ons. So the first add-on I have for you guys is the reason why I have a big box. It's a full-size product, which is this baby right here. This is the It Confidence in a Cleanser. This I got for 12 bucks, so yeah, I got it less than what it really is, so I'm excited about it. Also, Gigi Gorgeous had a collab with Ipsy, so I got her a contour brush. This is the Gigi Gorgeous contour brush. It has like a little net thing, so when you dry it, it could dry faster and cleaner. Love. Got that for 3 bucks, and also got this for 3 bucks. This is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blush in Mauve Sunrise. I mean, look at it. It comes in like this matte freaking soft packaging. This was 3 bucks too. Like the brush. This is really pretty. Really pretty. So I was at the event and I saw the blondes. The blondes were like really sweet. I explained more about it in my Snapchat videos, so go follow me on Snapchat. If you haven't followed me on Snapchat, my Snapchat will be linked down below, plus my Instagram, so go check it out. My eyes are really glossy. Wow, I'm lit. So let's get into the bag. The bag looks like this. It's not like cheetah print like everybody thinks. It's actually giraffe print. It has like pink, and it has like this nice brown tassel, and it says Ipsy on the side. Yeah, the bag. So this video is going to be part try on. I am going to be testing out some of these products that are in my bag, touching on my makeup while I go, even though I'm about to take all this off, but it's okay. Let's just get into this again. Wow. Say it 3 times. It's still a lot. It's still a lot. My lip gloss looks good. So the first thing in the bag is the card. This is the card theme. The bag, the month, everything is Wild Side. I mean, as you know, I do have a Glambag Plus, but I wasn't going to get Glambag Plus because the stuff that's in Glambag Plus, I thought I was only going to get like 2 or 3 products out of the 5. So your girl was like a little hesitant. So I got just a regular Glambag and just paid like extra stuff for the stuff I wanted. It just comes with all the stuff that's in the bag. So the first product in the bag is something that I actually chose. This is the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer. This has SPF 30, and because it has SPF, I kind of really wanted it, and also because it was Murad products, kind of really wanted it. I mean, they had a Murad big, like, full-size product, which would have been great for my, like, pimple on my lip, but, my upper lip, but they had like an eye treatment one. But I was like, if I get that, then I'm probably just gonna get like a mascara, which I'm probably not gonna use, but I'm probably gonna keep, and then like a Gigi Gorgeous full-size product, which I'm gonna use. So it's like, it was either that or get the full glam bag, which I'm probably gonna like all my products. So let's just hope that I chose the right bag. The next thing is the Moda Glam brush. This is the Moda Pro brush. I really like this. It's like their highlighting brush. I love the handles. We got this in a BoxyCharm. We got the crease brush, like the whole full eye set, and in the like Boxy Luxe members, they got like a full face brush set. This was in it. I'm not a Boxy Luxe member, so I'm glad I could have this. Amazing. The next thing, we got a face serum. I'm not going to say that big word plus AHA. This is their Power Trip serum. This brand is really cool. It's all female owned and empowered brand, and I'm here for that. So since we had that blush, this is from Bare Minerals. I actually wanted to get this. It was $3. I wanted to get this. Like they had like it for free for like the Sephora samples. Like if you spent $25, it was like a little sample. And I really wanted to get this and try it out. But they ran out when I had enough money to buy what I was gonna buy. Dang, that's hard to open. So here it is. Ooh, it really is mauve and it kind of feels very, very creamy, but not too creamy. Like it's cream and then it's powder. That's how it swatches and blends out beautifully on my skin. So I have it on my face. If you actually can see it, kind of just like blends in with my skin. It's kind of like the Madison Miller freaking blush that I got in Ipsy, which I really do like. It's a light. It can be buildable to more pigment, but it's really, really cool. What I already have is like the Madison Miller highlighter, so that's why I put it in there. So I was like, yo, I was already wearing Madison Miller, but now I'm wearing the Bounce and Blur, whatever, Bare Minerals blush, and it looks a little bit better than that blush from the mini palette. So yeah, let's get back into the bag. So the next thing I have is a Gigi Gorgeous powder. This is the Turnt Touch Up powder. This is basically just a pressed translucent powder. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror. And then this is the powder. It's just a regular translucent powder. I'm gonna go in with my Motor like fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna tap this in and like set my makeup just to like touch it up. And it really is a good touch up powder. Like this is just a light translucent powder and I am living for it. It's good for like in the person go. Like you see how oily I was, and now I'm not that oily. Okay, last product. Last product, we got the Pixie by Petra Duo in Naturally Nude. I kind of wanted the other like darker version of these duos, but let's just look at it. This is what the duo kind of looks like. So this is like a tiny eyeshadow. Like you see my finger and you can see the pan. It's a tiny eyeshadow like duo. Here's my whoa. Whoa. Wow. So I'm going with that bronze shade on a Morphe R34 and just like putting that into the crease. I don't care if I put shimmer into the crease at this moment right now. Like, it looks bomb in my case. It looks bomb. I'm also taking it into the inner and the outer corner so we could create a halo effect with the lighter shade. And I didn't even pick up that much. That's how you know the shade is pigmented. And I'm just blending it out because it's like, I'm really not going anywhere with this look. But if you want to recreate this look, I'll list everything that I used down below, especially because like a soft glam and kind of like soft glam is kind of trending. So why not? So I'm putting that lighter shade on the center of my lid. Wow. Wow, I like how this natural look actually turned out. Anyways, this is it. That's it for this box, bag, whatever. I really like every single product that was in this box. What bag? It's a glam bag. This is the regular glam bag. Anyways, I really like all the products that were in this glam bag, and I'm excited, and it was well worth the money that I spent, and I really do like the eyeshadows that came in. I mean, it's just a neutral Nelly, but your girl's a neutral Nelly. I mean, as many times as I go outside the box, I still go back inside of it. So hey, anyways, hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and happy Wednesday. Bye, you guys. Mwah. Like, I'm really, really drunk right now. Like, it's time to take all this makeup off and go to sleep. Like, I'm about to knock out. Okay, I'm done. Bye, you guys.